Hey guys, what's up? Just doing a quick update on my Robinhood and WeBull uh, test accounts. I opened these up about mid 2020, around June, July-ish, just to show how to turn a small amount of money and just grow it over time. A lot of people come to me thinking that they have to put a ton of money into trading the stock market, which is not true at all. You can start out with a little bit of money, and if you want to invest passively, just consistently contribute every week or every month a set amount of money, and just invest it. Buy shares of good companies. Find ones that aren't overextended, ones that usually the ones that you're trying to FOMO in or just, really want to get in because they're running so high are usually the wrong ones to invest in. You want to find good, solid companies that aren't getting exuberant, and you don't want to find shit companies either. You don't want to invest in something because it's low or down because there's a reason why it's not the price has fallen, right? So over time, you'll develop a sense of what's good to invest in and always have, risk management in place. So for this account is my WeBull account, showing that I started off here with $2,500. And this was over the course of since September. I opened this one in September. And since September, I only invested in a couple plays, a couple stocks, and grew it practically 100%. And I think I've made like maybe three trades in this account. Another account is my Robinhood. This one I started with, you can see, 2,700. I had this account open since 2018. Never used it until this year. Finally, decided to put it to use and start trading it. So I'm going to go to the 1 year, or sorry, actually 3 months just to show, how I've grown it. Started at like 2,700 and just grew it over time. Started it in July, and I think this one. First, I started out testing a strategy, but it took a lot of work. It was a lot of work for spent for the ROI that I was receiving, so it wasn't really worth the time. So I trashed the idea and just turned it into an investment account and just threw it into a couple stocks. Over time, they grew, and as of today, at 6 grand from 2,500, so or 2,700. So yeah, you don't need to know a lot about investing. You just put your money to work and just let it grow over time. And I'm just gonna do regular updates on these two accounts just to show how large it can get over time, and you'd be surprised. All right, thanks.